award-winning director Madhur Bhandarkar's film on the Indian emergency of 1975 is all set for a 28th July release. The official trailer of the movie was released at the Cinepolis Andheri, Mumbai.
मुझे ऐसा लगा कि हमेशा एक होता है कि मैंने जितनी फिल्म बनाई है बॉम्बे सेंट्रिक रही है और हमेशा ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड या ट्रैफिक सिग्नल या कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड को दर्शाया है या बॉलीवुड की हम बात करें तो मुझे लगा कि हमेशा एक पीरियड फिल्म का एक कॉन्सेप्ट था कि बनाना चाहिए और 70s का मैं बड़ा फैन हूँ एक आर.डी. बर्मन हुए किशोर दा हुए लता दीदी हुए उनके गाने हमेशा वी ग्रोन अप ऑन 70s थिंग एंड मी एंड माय राइटर अनिल वी वर सिटिंग एंड वी वर डिस्कसिंग क्या करना चाहिए क्या एंड सडनली द आइडिया पॉप्ड आउट के इमरजेंसी बैकड्रॉप एक फिल्म बनाते अभी तक किसी ने बनाई नहीं और ह्यूमन ड्रामा उसको देते हैं और इवेंट्स जो है वो थ्रू इवेंट्स पे बेसिकली इंस्पायर्ड है और मुझे लगा कि 70s है अच्छा रहेगा वो उस एरा को पकड़ना दिल्ली खास करके वो दिल्ली का पूरा बेस है पिक्चर का तो और मुझे लगा ये कहानी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बताना आज की तारीख की आज की जनरेशन को खास करके जो इमरजेंसी 1975 से लेकर 77 के दौरान 21 मंथ की जो इमरजेंसी थी वो आज की जनरेशन इतनी अवेयर नहीं है हालांकि पॉलिटिकली काफी पिछले 5-6 साल से जब से सोशल मीडिया आया है तो हमने देखा कि पॉलिटिकली थोड़े से अवेयरनेस आ गई है तो ये सही टाइम है पिक्चर बनाने का इमरजेंसी पे और ये कॉन्सेप्ट हमने वर्कआउट किया इस पे और संजय छेल साहब ने इतने अच्छे अच्छे डायलॉग लिखे और दैट्स हाउ थिंग्स स्टार्टेड एंड पिक्चर बनाई
Indu Sarkar serves as a highly political piece of work set in a very important era of Indian politics. The film stars Neel Nitil Mukesh, Supriya Vinod, Kirti Kulhari and Anupam Kher in integral roles.
I think the whole homework was done by Madhur and his brilliant writers. We didn't have to do anything. We just needed to believe that what he has believed in, that we have to perform. So to say कि हमने कुछ ज़्यादा किया है and luckily for me it was more exciting because I have 3-4 different get-ups in the film because of the story. जहाँ तक 70 की बात है nobody lives any era or any years thinking कि आज से 40 साल बाद मैं इस era को दोबारा देखने वाला हूँ
जी बिल्कुल
We have lived those eras, we have lived those years. आज से 20 साल बाद अगर 2017 पे कोई फिल्म बनेगी तो I will not say अरे I lived those 17 years. But it's very, very gratifying to be part of good cinema. And as you very correctly said in your introduction, ki it's the power of a woman that is reflected so brilliantly. So, and the background is emergency. Luckily, आजकल क्या है कि Indian cinema has reached a stage where audiences do understand cinema. You just have to make them believable. So, congratulations, well done. मेरे दोस्त 12वीं फिल्म में आपने मुझे ले लिया मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ
Madhur ji gave me a very specific brief as to what Naveen Sarkar is supposed to be like and I just stuck to my brief. I am in the habit of listening to my director only and only to the director and of course there was Sanjay ji and Anil ji script writers and they also tutored me in the how the character would be like so I kept that in mind and listened to what Madhur ji had to say.
The trailer sees Neel Nitil Mukesh looking highly unrecognizable yet convincing in the role of politician Sanjay Gandhi. It looks as though this role might just be the push that Neel needs to make his mark in Bollywood.
The first time Sir called me to the office and narrated me a synopsis, I said definitely because I was very, very bad in history as a student. So this was my chance to go back in time and probably study something that I wasn't aware of as much and I didn't know a lot of. So during the 115-day session that we had with him every day for about an hour, 2 hours, he would kind of tutor me through the entire series of events that happened in 1975 and that really attracted me towards the film as well. As far as the look is concerned, I was extremely skeptical to begin with. We first initially thought that we'll probably shave off the head and try and see if we can just to recreate the look by actually going bald. And I was ready to do that, but unfortunately I had commitments of 2 other films at the same time.
और आप शादी भी करने वाले थे।
और जी हाँ, और मेरी शादी होने वाली थी।
ये सच है।
तो उस समय I just requested him if he could do something else. So we tried prosthetics. So the entire makeup team, Vikram sir, my entire team, Wasim bhai, Vicky, all of us, we all sat down and we sat in the office for about 6-7 hours and slowly went into stages and created the look. And once that was done, I got a little confidence. And then, of course, the script came. Sanjay ji's lovely dialogues were there. And then I think he gave me a free hand and said, okay, just recreate the character. And thank you, sir. Thank you so much. It's my second film with him, and I'm extremely proud that, I feel very thankful to you and grateful that you consider me to be a part of this film. Thank you.
It also shows Kirti Kulhari playing a titular role in the movie, essaying the character of poetess with a prominent speech impediment.
जो कॉन्फिडेंस की हम बात कर रहे हैं मेरे कैरेक्टर को लेके फिल्म में, इट इज समथिंग दैट is not a part of her from the beginning. I mean, trailer है, so you only see glimpses of the whole character's journey in this. लेकिन जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे तो आपको exactly समझ में आएगा कि पैराडॉक्स नहीं है, एक फुल जर्नी है इंदु सरकार की from the time that she wasn't a very, very confident or powerful or strong woman. She always was probably, but she didn't know she was. So, stammering की जहाँ तक बात है, of course, it's a very, very important characteristic of इंदु सरकार in the film. And मेरे ख्याल से वो मेरे लिए सबसे important characteristic भी था, क्योंकि मेरी सबसे ज़्यादा मेहनत स्टैमर को मैं उसको अच्छे से प्रेजेंट कर पाऊँ उसमें गई है. So yes, I think when you see the film, it will take you through the journey of Indu Sarkar, and you will very, very easily believe the growth that this character has in the film through what you see in the film.
Supriya Vinod will be playing the role of former Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, in the film. Music composers Bappi Lahiri and Anu Malik have also collaborated for the first time to give music to the film. Madhur Bhandarkar has definitely managed to create a piece of work that for now seems to be riveting.